let's talk about quarantine self-care, specifically the Pare Skin foot mask peel off in self-isolation. Due to the global pandemic, foot mask, foot peeling mask, exfoliating socks, they are trend at the moment. So when I asked you, my audience, the question, would you like to see me do a foot peeling mask review? The answer was yes. Hey everyone, my name is Deidré, and in this video, you will see the results from using the Pare Skin foot mask peel off on someone who is not living with diabetes, but they do have very mild calluses on the soles of their feet. Foot peels are a process, but once they start working, the results can be quite shocking. So if you're someone who loves grossness, if that's even a word, then you're not going to want to miss this video. So make sure you stick around until the very end. Okay, so let's take a look inside of the box whilst I read you the highlights, which are professional treatment for independent application at home for exfoliating dead skin and calluses, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, 1 week miracle solution, no mess, easy and simple to use. This mask is based on active vegetable acids to effectively remove epidermis callus and all thickened parts of the skin of the foot. Some key points to note here. This product is claiming to have the ability to remove hard skin, which basically means that you don't need to go and see a podiatrist, who I might add is highly trained to use a scalpel to remove hard skin effectively. Very interesting, and I can't wait for you to see the results. Actually, let's have some fun with this. Put in the comments below, true claim if you think this product is going to work, or false claim if you think that this person is going to need additional treatment by a podiatrist. And whilst you're down there, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Now we'll start the clock for 90 minutes. All right, 30 minutes to go. How are you feeling?
Feeling okay.
Any pain?
No pain, no tingling, nothing.
No burning?
No.
Awesome. 30 more minutes to go. 90 minutes later. Now we wait for 4 to 10 days. So this is day 4. We applied the products on Wednesday and today is Sunday. So we can see it's starting to peel. So we're just gonna see if we can take off a little bit. So not much is coming away on its own. So we will wait for the full 7 days. Any pain?
No.
It should be Wednesday, just before Christmas Eve. Is 7 days, so we'll just remove the loose bits and then we'll check again on Wednesday, and just be very gentle when you're pulling off the loose skin. So, what did you think? Epic fail, right? Of course, this product did not work. Remember, there are five layers on the sole of the foot, but this product barely scratched the surface. All it did was remove a very, very thin layer of skin, and it didn't even remove or even touch any of the main hard skin that it claims it's able to remove. So what do? Well, you don't have to give up. You do have options. You can go out there and try the many other millions of foot peeling masks there is that's available. Or you can use this as an intermittent treatment between your next podiatry visit. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.